Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you want to jumpstart your weight loss journey on the keto diet, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my top tips on how to lose 10 pounds in just 5 days. Remember, this is a quick boot camp for your body, so let's get started. Tip number 1, cut out all carbs. On a keto diet, we focus on high-fat and low-carb foods. This means eliminating bread, pasta, sugar, and starchy vegetables. Instead, load up on healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts. By restricting carbs, your body will enter ketosis faster, using fat as fuel instead of glucose. Tip number 2, increase your water intake. Staying hydrated is key, especially when you're cutting carbs. It helps flush out toxins and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Plus, drinking water before your meals can help you feel fuller and may prevent overeating. Tip number 3, try intermittent fasting. This means designating a specific eating window each day. For example, you could opt for an 18:6 schedule, where you eat all your meals within 6 hours and fast for the remaining 18. This not only restricts calorie intake, but also helps your body transition into ketosis more smoothly. Tip number 4, exercise smart. Combine cardio with strength training for optimal results. Aim for at least 30 minutes of high-intensity workouts daily. This will help you burn calories and maintain muscle mass while you're in a caloric deficit. Plus, don't forget to incorporate some short bursts of intense exercise to kick your metabolism into high gear. Tip number 5, monitor your macros. Make sure you're getting the right balance of fats, proteins, and minimal carbs. A common ratio for keto is 70% fat, 25% protein, and 5% carbs. Using a macro tracking app can make it easier for you to stay on track and hit your targets throughout the day. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be on your way to losing those 10 pounds in just 5 days. Make sure to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more keto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.